Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your cache in Bifrost Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end. To clear cache on Bifrost Wallet, firstly open your Bifrost Wallet application. Enter your PIN code. The official page of Bifrost will appear on the screen. Tap on Settings on the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down to Advanced option and tap on it. On the next page, click on Clear Cache. Confirm clearing of cache by tapping on Proceed, and that is how you will be able to clear your cache in Bifrost Wallet quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.